Hey guys, it's Mark from parkflyers.com. Today we're looking at a Yokomo YD-2 S. This is a drift car, really nice, very popular. And we set this up for a customer. Now the thing that we did for him that was a little unique, we wanted to do a video on it because a lot of people don't know how to do this and a lot of customers get confused, is setting a 3PV radio up with a drift car. The benefit of setting up one of these Futaba radios is you have a third channel. When you have a third channel, you're able to control the gain from the radio, and that's very important with precision driving. Usually when you adjust the gyro, it's with one of these, and it's deep inside the over here, and you have to do it in micro adjustments. You can't really see what you're doing, and you have to kind of bring the car back and adjust it. This way you can do it from the radio. It's really easy. There's a wire that comes off the gyro. Every gyro, it's a bypass cable. It's the third wire. It has one wire coming out of it, and you put it into the third channel on the receiver. Just one wire. You got to make sure the wire is to the left. You want to make sure it's on the inner side of the receiver, which is the positive side, for it to work. The other thing a lot of people don't realize is when you hook it up to the 3PV, you have to go into your system and you want to actually turn the third channel on. A lot of people will buy this radio. They'll call me up and say it's not working. You have to turn it on. So in the system menu here, you just turn it on. Once you turn it on, it's working. Now you can turn the gain. Once you turn the third channel on, now you can control the gain through the radio. And that control is you can turn it on and off with this physical button here. Okay, right now that's on. This would be the off position. And the one thing you have to know is you have to, when you want to adjust the gain, you have to go all the way to EPA, which is endpoint settings. And the EPA is going to be channel 3, obviously. And we have ours set to -30, which is really +30. So every gyro is different. This Yokomo YG302, on this radio, when it's -30, which is 30% gain. That worked for our setup here. Now we set this up really good for a customer. The rear camber is -8 degrees. The front camber is -3. We have 2 degrees of toe out on each side, and the car just drives like a dream. These are Tamiya drift wheels. They're not plastic. They're the hard rubber. They're the D series wheel. They're hard to get. If you need a pair, we're actually going to list the link below this video. You can get a pair of these. These are great for outdoors. Most people, 90% of my clients, they're not able to go to a drift track, and they go on asphalt. These are great for asphalt. Really nice. Now, it's important to know that when you set this up, you have to make sure that the car is set up properly. Otherwise, it's not going to drive that great. A lot of my customers come and they complain that their drift car is not drifting the way it should. Big mistake is they have the direction on the gyro reversed. So it's not, it's actually turning in the way you're steering, and then you're not going to actually be able to control the car at all. That's the number one novice complaint we get. The other one is setting up the bypass for the third channel. Like I said, the bypass eliminates, it takes the need to adjust it from here. It actually eliminates that, and then your adjustment is going to come from the radio. It's under EPA. We have ours at 30%. The car drives great. This is one of my favorite designs. You have all that rearward weight in the back, has all that rear bias, and all that weight in the back just lends itself to a really nice feel when you're driving it. We use the Just Stock motor and ESC combo, 10.5 turn. It's the G2.1. It's the newer one, and this is plenty for what you need. It's $109 for this combo. We sell it on the website. We're going to put the link below. If you want one, just order it from us, please. We do benefit from online sales. And for the battery pack, we use the new Spectrum 4000 130C drag pack. This is a really, really good pack. It has very high output. It fits perfectly in any drift chassis. This is, if all my customers, if they ask me what to get, just get this. This is really, for the price and for the performance, just get this battery, one and done. I use an EC5 connector, very low resistance, and they're solid. They don't fall apart like other plugs. They can handle the heat, and I really like them. These are the IC5. They're compatible with EC5, and I really like them a lot. And basically, we have a Power Hobby, a 400W steering servo, very powerful. A little bit of overkill for this car, but the end result is this thing drives like a dream. And we really promote drifting highly. We're going to be building a track in the warehouse soon. So we're going to have a drift track here. at the hobby shop. You definitely want to check into that. You can call the 1-800-470-8932 in about 2 or 3 months. Check on the progress, but we're definitely doing it. And that's going to be that. As far as bodies go, Killer Bodies makes some really nice bodies for drifting, for on-road cars, and they're really detailed. We like them a lot. They're about $110 a piece. We have a couple of bodies in stock. Again, we'll put the links for those below. And please support our hobby shop. The only way we can stay in business is if our YouTube customers support our channel and the hobby shop. There's no reason why you shouldn't order from us. We have a brand new website. We just released it. PCI compliant. It's extremely safe. We take all kinds of payment. We even have shop payments where you can pay monthly. You could spend a lot of money with us, and then you could actually pay it off monthly. So you don't have to pay it off right away. And that's under shop. You can check it out. We take Google Pay. We take Apple Pay. We take credit card. And we take PayPal. Anyway, support us with the new website. Also, share the video with friends. Give us a thumbs up. And comments below. If you have any questions, call 1-800-470-8932. Ask for Mark. Anyway, we'll see you on the next review. Have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed this one.